Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I have 3 subscriptions to open with y'all, and I will put timestamps down below. And we'll start with the Lollies by Leah. This is the lolly box and she makes lollipops. It is $24.99 a month, free shipping. You get a monthly theme box with 14 unique lollipop flavors each month. So let's see what kind is in here, and this is how it comes. And the card tells all the flavors, and this is called the Fall Carnival Lollipops. And all lollies are vegan and gluten, wheat, and soy free. So I thought this would be interesting because she has such so many flavors, different flavors that she makes. And anyways, I'll go through them real fast. This is cinnamon caramel corn, caramel apple cotton candy, apple pie ice cream sandwich. I'm not sure how some of these are going to taste, but I am excited to give them a try. This is toasted marshmallow cotton candy. Pumpkin spice churros. Spiced pear turnover. Fried pecan pie cheesecake. This one doesn't say. What's this? Hashtag PSL. Butterscotch funnel cake. Hazelnut hot chocolate. Blueberry corn fritters. Okay, I'm at my daughter's house and one of her cats hit the tripod, so I had to run him off. This one is Snickerdoodle cookie dough. Sour cranberry lemonade. And the last one is cardamom apple cream puff. Anyway, so that's this box. I thought it'd be interesting, you know, to try. Oops. So, I love the colors, all the different colors too. Okay, so now we'll do my T-shirt society. And this is $19.97 a month with $7 shipping, and get a T-shirt every month. And it's on Crate Joy, and they do have spoilers for the month. So, like if you wanted to skip a month, then because you didn't like the style of T-shirt or whatever, but I think they stick with a theme, like this is Halloween themed. So, and I think that I think I remember them having where you could pick if you preferred crew neck or V-neck. Anyway, it comes in this mailer bag, and it's wrapped like this. Okay, so it has a note inside. It says, "Welcome. Amanda, I'm so glad you joined. I hope you love your teas as much as I do. Please let me know if you need anything. Mandy Lee." So, that was nice. And this is the T-shirt for, this is September's, and I think that it's still available right now. It might be available until the 1st of October, just a couple more days. But I do know when I went on there and looked today, they still had this one. There it is. Now I did say, I did pick V-neck because I prefer V-neck over crew neck, but I wear both, so I'm not mad about it. And it is super soft. It's by the Bella Canvas. If you know that brand, have had any T-shirts from them, they are so soft and very comfortable. I did go with a large. Because I was afraid of it shrinking, and I like my T-shirts kind of oversized because I usually wear them with leggings. And it's 52% cotton and 48% polyester, so it won't shrink a whole lot, but I think I'll like it because of the roominess. And that's all for this one. Okay, so now I got my Glamour Jewelry box, and it comes in this mailer, and then in this, and it's $34 a month with free shipping. You can pick gold, rose gold only, silver only, or a rotation of tones every month. And I picked the silver only. I can't remember if I got 3 pieces last month. I might have got an extra one because it was my first month subscribing. I cannot remember. But it looks like we got 2 things this time. And you do get little cards that tells the brand and how much that they cost. So we got a bracelet right here. And here is what it looks like. And it don't really feel like that it has much give. Like, you know how some you can kind of tighten up that are like this, because I got small wrists. But this doesn't really feel like it would tighten. But it is the cylinder cuff. Dress up your bracelet stack with the cylinder cuff. This modern bracelet features sleek cylinder caps that you can wear with your most stackable styles and trending looks. And it's the Sophia collection, and the retail price is $36 for it. And then we got a pair of earrings. And they are really small. They're just like diamond small studs. And this is Avery earrings. It's by Madison Parker collection. Shine and a hint of sparkle, the Avery earrings are the perfect classic pair of studs that can be flawlessly incorporated into your everyday style. The Avery earrings are a dreamy new addition to your jewelry collection. So I have to say, I liked last month a lot better, the pieces that I got. But these are nice too. I'll definitely wear them. So that is it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.